Hello again, welcome back to my channel. I'm Demosthenes from Portugal and it's December, the Christmas month, so I will do my first giveaway. I'll give away this Blood Angel Candy Paint Marine. To do this candy paint job, I start by painting all the model with lead belcher. After that, I go to silver to do the first highlights, and adding a bit of white I do all the highlights I need to do. After this step I have used Vallejo Shipping Medium as a masking tool. After this I paint the whole model with transparent red from Vallejo. To paint the bolter I have used abundant black. With a mix of abundant black and shabby bone I've painted the base of the model. Later, with a glaze consistency, I will use the same paint to do the weathering in the armor. A drop of water will activate the shipping medium. Vallejo transparent yellow to make the marks. And again I will use the same mixture of black and Ushabi bone to do the highlights in the chest piece. It took me 3 hours to build and paint this model. I hope you like it. Please subscribe and leave a comment.